Before we start cleaning windows on a higher plane, I've already extended the telescopic lens. We'll put on the isuit. And what does the isuit do? It actually lifts and relieves the user of the weight of the telescopic lens for more than 50%. It's easy to put on, and I can say a lot about this product, but let me just show you. It's simply easy to put on, just like a backpack. You've got two straps here. First, attach the lower one, the waist strap. Make sure it's locked and tight. Then the chest strap, pretty essential. Make sure it's locked and tight too. Here I have a small hook attached to a washing line. And you can attach the washing line on the yellow part of the telescopic lens. And at the moment everything is nice and secure, hook yourself on the lens. And even on a day like today, when it's a little windy outside, it's no problem. I'm all hooked up and I can start washing the windows. One hand beneath the washing line and the other on top holding the lens. It doesn't matter if you are left-handed or right-handed. You can do your job just like you're used to. Just make sure your back is straight and in position. The isuit corrects your position. The moment you start leaning in forward, what you should certainly not do, it won't work because you are bumping into your telescopic lens with the isuit, as you can see here. You have to stand straight. Your posture has to be correct in order to operate, and the isuit corrects this position. So you'll stand straight. So the isuit carries the telescopic lens for you. You'll want to create the following motion. The moment you let go of the lens, that it slowly descends towards the floor, that is what you want to create. I'll put the lens on top of the window here and let go. And as you see, it slowly descends towards the floor. It's almost in balance, but it's been calibrated that it doesn't automatically go up. Because then I would have to pull the lens towards the floor. But I want gravity to lift the weight for me. So I'll kind of throw the lens up towards the window and gently let it drop towards me. That's what I'm doing, and it's this motion that makes washing the windows a lot lighter. So it goes down, and I'll gently throw it upwards with just a few fingers, and let it go again. And so this is the correct way to operate and work with the isuit. Don't forget the step movement so that you can get the maximum cleaning capacity out of each window.